Vinny Kumar Saxena appointed new Lieutenant Governor of Delhi. Vinny Kumar Saxena has been appointed new Lieutenant Governor of Delhi. Born on March 23, 1958, Saxena is currently the chairman of the Khadi and Village Industries Commission (KVIC). He was appointed to the post in 2015. Saxena will succeed Anil Bajal, who resigned from the post on May 18, citing or quote personal reasons or quote. Red Bull's Max Verstappen wins Spanish Grand Prix. Red Bull or S Max Verstappen won the Spanish Grand Prix in Barcelona on the 22nd of May. He took over at the top from Ferrari or S luckless Charles Leclerc, who retired with an engine failure while leading. Mexican Sergio Perez finished second, 13 seconds behind, but with the consolation of a bonus point for the fastest lap. Health Minister addresses 75th session of World Health Assembly. Health Minister Mansukh Mandavia, on the 23rd of May, addressed the 75th session of the World Health Assembly in Geneva. He stressed on the need to build a resilient global supply chain to enable equitable access to vaccines and medicines. The World Health Assembly (WHA) is the forum through which the World Health Organization (WHO) is governed by its 194 member states. ONGC becomes first entity to trade on Indian Gas Exchange. Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Ltd. ONGC has become the first exploration and production company in India to trade domestic gas on Indian Gas Exchange. The gas traded is from ONGC Krishna Godavari 9/8 halves block. The quantity sold by ONGC through the gas exchange will be enhanced slowly. ONGC owner Government of India 60.41%. ONGC Chairman or MD Alka Mittal. India and US sign investment incentive agreement in Tokyo. India and the United States of America signed an investment incentive agreement in Tokyo, Japan on the 23rd of May. The agreement was signed by India or as Foreign Secretary Vinay Quatra and Chief Executive Officer of U.S. International Development Finance Corporation, DFC, Scott Nathan. This agreement supersedes another similar pact signed between the governments of India and the U.S. in 1997. Jyoti Araji smashes own 100 meters hurdles national record in UK. Jyoti Araji smashed the women or S 100 meters hurdle national record for the second time in less than 2 weeks while winning the event at the Loughborough International Athletics Meet in the UK. The 22-year-old from Andhra Pradesh on the 23rd of May clocked 13.11 seconds to better her own earlier national record of 13.23 that she had clocked on May 10 during the Cyprus International Meet in Limassol. Haryana wins Hockey India Sub-Junior Women's National Championship. Hockey Haryana emerged winners of the 12th Hockey India Sub-Junior Women or S National Championship 2022 after defeating Hockey Jharkhand 2-0 in the final in Imphal on the 22nd of May. Uttar Pradesh Hockey defeated Madhya Pradesh Hockey 3-0 to secure third place in the tournament. A total of 25 teams participated in the tournament, which was held in Imphal, Manipur from 11 to the 22nd of May 2022. A.R. Venkatachalapathy chosen for Lifetime Achievement Award. Historian and professor of the Madras Institute of Development Studies, A.R. Venkatachalapathy, has been selected for the Lifetime Achievement Award, EYAL Award, of the Canada-based Tamil Literary Garden, for 2021. EYAL Award is a Lifetime Achievement Award, given annually to someone who has made a very significant contribution to the growth or study of Tamil literature. Uttarakhand, first Indian state to roll out drone in healthcare. Uttarakhand has become the first Indian state to roll out drones in the healthcare sector. Redcliffe Labs, a unit of Redcliffe LifeTech in the US, has come up with its first commercial drone flight in the country's healthcare sector. The company has recently opened its commercial drone corridor between Uttarkashi and Dehradun. Uttarakhand Governor Gurmeet Singh, CM Pushkar Singh Dhami, Gautam Adani, Karuna Nandi, among Time's 100 most influential people. Supreme Court lawyer Karuna Nandi, business tycoon Gautam Adani and prominent Kashmiri human rights activist Khurram Parvez have been named among the world's 100 most influential people of 2022 by Time magazine. The list has been divided into 6 categories or entish: icons, pioneers, titans, artists, leaders and innovators. Adani has been named under the Titans category. Dr. Jitendra Singh launches portal for biotech researchers. Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh launched single national portal for biotech researchers and startups on the 21st of May 2022. The portal BioApp will cater to all those seeking regulatory approval for biological research and development activity in the country. It will also allow stakeholders to see the approvals accorded against a particular application through a unique BioApp ID. Jet Airways appoints 4 new senior executives. Jet Airways has appointed 4 new senior executives days after aviation regulator DGCA granted a revalidated air operator certificate. Prabh Singh has been appointed as Chief Digital Officer, HR Jagannath as Vice President of Engineering, Mark Turner as Vice President of In-Flight Product and Services and Vishesh Khanna as Vice President of Sales, Distribution and Customer Engagement. Purushottam Rupala visited Brazil from 16th to the 20th of May 2022. Purushottam Rupala, Union Minister of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying visited Brazil from the 16th to the 20th of May 2022. He held meetings with presidents of the Brazilian Association of Zebu Breeders (ABCZ) and Brazilian Confederation of Agriculture and Livestock (CNA). He discussed ways to increase cooperation in the dairy sector through genetic improvement and trade and investment. Tata Power, Tata Motors to develop solar rooftop project in Pune. Tata Power has collaborated with Tata Motors to develop a 7 MW solar rooftop project at the Latter ORS passenger vehicle plant in Chikhali, Pune. The two companies have recently inked a power purchase agreement (PPA) for this solar project. The installation is collectively expected to generate 23 million units of electricity, mitigating 5.23 lakh tons of carbon dioxide. World Turtle Day, the 23rd of May. World Turtle Day is celebrated on the 23rd of May globally. It raises awareness about helping turtles survive and thrive in their natural habitat. The theme for World Turtle Day 2022 is "Or Celebrate," or asks everyone to love and save turtles. It was founded by the American Tortoise Rescue ATR, a non-profit organization, in the year 1990. It was established by Susan Telemann Marshall Thompson. Manchester City crowned 2021-22 Premier League champions. Manchester City has been crowned Premier League champions for after a 3-2 win against Aston Villa on the 22nd of May 2022. It was their 4th win in 5 seasons. It marks Pep Guardiola's 11th major honor since becoming City manager in 2016. In its 38 league matches this season, it has won 29, drawn 6 and lost 3, scoring 99 goals in the process. Who honors India's 1 million all-women ASHA workers? India or S1 all-women ASHA workers were awarded and honored by WHO on the 22nd of May or 22. They were honored for their outstanding contribution to advancing global health, demonstrated leadership and commitment to regional health issues. Accredited social health activists or ASHA volunteers are Indian government or S-affiliated healthcare workers who are the first point of contact in rural India. Belgium, first to make quarantine compulsory for monkeypox patients. Belgium has become the first country to make a 21-day quarantine compulsory for monkeypox patients after 4 cases of the disease were reported in the country. Monkeypox is a disease in the same family as smallpox and symptoms include a distinct bumpy rash, a fever, sore muscles, and a headache. It is less deadly than smallpox, with a mortality rate below 4%. 3 municipal corporations of Delhi formally merged on May 22. The unification of three civic municipal bodies of Delhi into a single entity came into force on the 22nd of May or 22. The Delhi Municipal Corporation Amendment Act, 2022 also came into effect on the same day. Senior IAS officer Ganesh Bharati has been appointed as the Commissioner of Municipal Corporation of Delhi. Senior IAS officer Ashwani Kumar has been appointed as Special Officer for the MCD. PM Modi arrives in Tokyo on two-day visit to participate in Quad Summit. Prime Minister Narendra Modi arrived in Tokyo on the 23rd of May 2022 on a two-day visit to Japan to participate in the Quad Leaders Summit. Quad brings together four countries united by their commitment to a free, open, and inclusive Indo-Pacific. Prime Minister Modi will have a bilateral meeting with US President Biden on the 24th of May 2022. This will be the fourth interaction of